Ka jingthmu jong sarkar jila ban pynkynriah ktem Central Reserve Police Force CRPF na ki South ri jaka ka bakanthop na Maulai shakawe ga jaka New Shlong Township NST kala Pulom no na mar ka jing pyrshah ka bajur na ki Dorbar Shnong jong ka ni kathan ha ka jing shisha house nam arjar arpuar la dapan rai ban ra ktem sa shipor na ki South ri jaka ki bapun shong ki CRPF shakawe pat ka jaka ha ubnai jamang arjar arpuar Ngila bo jaka ka bashipho akar New Shlong Township. Henry Hashwa banyasoy ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU. Katu ka ni Shnong jong kathan kila penpao ka jing pyrshah ka bajur ban bu ktem CRPF ha ka ni kathan ong sumbut menteri rangba. Ubak mi katanat kampo iyeng police ubak Preston Tensong. Haba jubab ka jingkeli balawan ra da MLA ka VPP na Maulai ubak Bright Starwell Marbanyang. Hapo ka yeng Dorbar haga kat artrik nailur. Ubak Preston ulakular bo unsaya keren ya kani kamat bat ki klit nong sen shar shnong kumju ki Dorbar Shnong namar ya kani ka jaka lamang na kabenta ban bo ya ktem jong ki CRPF hashlong. Ulapun banaru bana kalyang ka sarkar kladapan mang sanpau akar ka jaka syakatnat Meghalaya Police na kabenta ban shnaya ka Meghalaya Security Complex. Menteri ulapan syaya bagi CRPF ki apher ne ki weipat ki bor pahara ka sarkar pedeng bat lapun dan kami ki tanghai ki por badon kam. Ulaban jorru bagi CRPF kim daya apher tan na ki battalion jong ka jela ya ki bala pendan kam hai ki nuwa kuni jing na kasingi syakasingi. Ka jing don jing ki CRPF hasilong batura kalong tang hapo ka saus pa ngun bat ki day ki bala penyait pura da ka sarkar jela ulaban ram. Ulakan turu iki dikot bagin pensngotho syaki ba halai ki jong ki constituency hakabaya day per ki CRPF kata ban weng ya jing ngotho bakla ba kilongkum ki BSF lani ki Assam Rifles. Kam hashwa habawan ra ya kadikaman ubak Bright Starwell ula ong baka ktem CRPF hamolai kabalapan mi ya jing huri hura bat na kalyang ki nong shnong kila beteng bandawa pynkynriah na duus nam arja arpuway. Haus nam arja arpuar keladon ka jingjia hajan kena ketem shipor ki CRPF kabalapan mi ya jing huri hura bat kabala pelong ki nong yalam shnong bakin let ya kendu ya menteri rangba bat usumbut menteri rangba ka jela ula ong haba penken mau bana kalia ka sarkar kelapen tikina syaki ban pynkynriah no ya kena ketem shipor jong CRPF na Maulai.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think no, remember once more.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 106. Sir, the matter is under examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home Police. I'm glad that finally today, this question, which in fact I've been raising for the past 2 years, with regards to the relocation of CRPF temporary camps from Maulai. The CRPF camp in Maulai has been a bone of contention for the people of my constituency, and especially who will know better than me, who are staying within that locality where the CRPF camp is located temporarily. In fact, the demand for relocation of CRPF camp, it is not something new. It has been there for many years. And in fact, the demand for relocation of CRPF camp has been felt necessary and urgent since 2021. And in fact, in the year 2022, there has been an incident where it has led to a law and order situation within the locality near the CRPF temporary camps. And in fact, the members from the different locality have met the Honorable Home Minister at that point of time, as well as the Chief Minister, where in fact both the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Home Minister at that point of time have assured the community leaders that they will take this matter very seriously, and they have also categorically assured that they will shift this temporary CRPF camp from Meghalaya. However, I am surprised that for the last 2 years, I've been asking this question, and the reply is the same. Though it has come up today, I'm happy that I could raise and get the assurance from the Honorable Minister, but then I'm sad to see the reply from the Minister that the matter is still under examination for the last, not just 2 years, but for the last many years. So can I get the assurance from the Honorable Minister, specifically, when will the CRPF camp, temporary camp from Meghalaya, will be relocated to another location?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am also happy that this very important question come up today for the information, the clarity of all the honourable members in this August House, that we need to know the reality. Sir, let me come back straight to the point because of the time constraint. In 2022, in fact, we have already decided that temporary camp of about 4 places where we camp the CRPF personnel is to be shifted to one designated place. And in 2022, sir, in fact, in the month of May, we are about to earmark 10 acres of land in New Township, in New Shillong. But before signing of the MOU, some localities that side, they raised a strong objection, opposition, for creating a camping site of the CRPF. And see, this fear psychosis, I should say, sir, it has already started long time back. Because the moment we understand CRPF is the paramilitary force from the central government, so you know that fear psychosis continue to be there with us. Let me explain here, sir. CRPF is totally different from the central paramilitary forces or from the central forces. It's totally different. CRPF is being requisitioned from time to time by the state government on the need basis. And right now we have 2 places. One is in Shillong and one is in Tura. And the total manpower of the CRPF as of today, we have not even 400. It's below 400. And it is being fully controlled by the state government. Sir, I think in the next week or the next month, I would like to take up this issue, personally maybe with all the traditional heads or with the Dorbar Shnong, to convince them, because this land is supposed to be earmarked for the camping site of in Shillong of these 4 places where we have. It is true that the local MLA from Meghalaya, I think we have seen the problems that created long time back, and even yes, I think in the year 21, 22, it again reoccurred. So we really wanted to do that, to shift them into one place. And recently, government under the Urban Affairs Department has already allotted 50 acres of land to Meghalaya Police, which we would like to also name it as Meghalaya State Security Complex. Sir, very soon, as I said to you, because we wanted to carry along everybody, that fear psychosis should not be there. Because as I said to you, CRPF, I should say it's only more or less like our own battalion. Whenever we need them, we utilize the service. And we are so thankful to the government of India. From time to time, they still at least allow us to get the additional force for meeting different challenges that we have on daily basis. So, sir, and I would like to also request the honourable member from Meghalaya and all our members in this August House, let us also highlight, create an awareness in our respective constituency about this issue. Because people, as I said to you, they have that misconception by saying that the moment government allot land to CRPF, it will be just like BSF, it will be just like GOC, it will be just like Assam Rifle and so on and so forth. But it is not, sir. And the land, again, as I said to you, it will be with the government only. Even if we allot land to CRPF, it is on lease basis. It will not, they will not own it because we are owning the land. And not only that, we need only the service. It's not that we need them permanently to be in the permanent site. So, sir, with this few clarification, and I'm sure the honourable members who understand the ground reality. And right now we have also honourable MLA from Maurangkereng, because this particular place where, we propose to, to earmark this land to the CRPF falls to his constituency. Sir, I would fervently request to kindly help us out, that the people understand about this intention of the government.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.